Welcome back to NT Coins World, your ultimate destination for exploring the rich history and intricate details of coins from around the globe. In today's episode, we'll delve into two exceptional coins that showcase different eras and cultures. The 1 shilling Elizabeth II 1956 coin and the 5 franc francaise 1971 coin. These coins not only tell us stories about their respective countries, but also carry immense value for collectors for high concepts. Let's get started. 1 shilling Elizabeth II 1956. The 1 shilling Elizabeth II 1956 is a remarkable coin from the United Kingdom that holds historical significance and artistic value. It represents an era marked by Queen Elizabeth II's early reign following her coronation in 1953. Let's break down its details. Historical context. The 1 shilling was part of the pre-decimal coinage of the UK, a system that lasted until 1971. The coin served as an essential unit of currency, equivalent to 1/20th of a pound or 12 old pence. The year 1956 was still early in Elizabeth II's reign, a period of rebuilding and modernization for Britain after the turmoil of World War II. Queen Elizabeth II's portrait on this coin is iconic, as it represents the optimism and continuity of the monarchy. The shilling was used widely in everyday transactions, making it a critical part of British economic and social life. Design features. The 1956 1 shilling features 2 distinct reverse designs depending on the version, English or Scottish. Obverse design. The obverse side displays the first definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Mary Gillick. The Queen is shown wearing a laurel wreath, a classical symbol of victory and honor. Surrounding her portrait is the inscription Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina, which translates to Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen. Reverse design. The English version features 3 lions, passant gardant, a symbol of England, along with the denomination Universal 1 shilling. The Scottish version displays a crowned lion rampant within a double treasure representing Scotland. Both designs include the year 1956 and the initials of the designer, William Maving Gardner. Mintage and variants. In 1956, the Royal Mint struck approximately 30 million 1 shilling coins. The mintage was divided between the English and Scottish designs, with each version being equally common. Collectors often aim to acquire both types for a complete set. Market value. Circulated coins. These typically fetch around $1 to $3 depending on condition. Uncirculated coins. Coins in mint state condition can range from $10 to $30. Proof coins. Rare proof versions, if found, can command prices upward of $100. Errors and variability. Some errors, such as misaligned dies, doubling on the lettering, or plancher flaws, can significantly increase the coin's value. Keep an eye out for these rare variations. Collector interest. Collectors prize the 1 shilling Elizabeth II 1956 for its historical importance and the dual reverse designs. It is an excellent addition to any collection focused on British coinage or mid-20th century coins. 5 francs francaise 1971. The 5 francs francaise 1971 coin is a product of France's rich numismatic history, combining elegance, historical context, and functionality. It reflects the cultural and economic values of France during the late 20th century. Historical context. The 5 francs coin was a staple of French currency before the introduction of the euro in 2002. By 1971, France was undergoing significant social and economic changes under the Fifth Republic, established by Charles de Gaulle. The coin exemplifies the era's focus on modernization and stability. The 5 francs denomination was initially introduced during the late 18th century under the French Revolution and continued through various regimes. The 1971 version belongs to the decimalized system introduced in 1795, making it part of a long and storied lineage. Design features: obverse design. The obverse features the Marianne, a national symbol of the French Republic, designed by Oscar Roty. Marianne is depicted wearing the Phrygian cap, a traditional emblem of liberty and the French Revolution. The words République Française, Couberment Habillette encircle the portrait. Reverse design. The reverse showcases an intricate wreath of olive and oak branches, symbolizing peace and strength. The denomination 5 francs is prominently displayed in the center, along with the year 1971. Below the wreath lies the mint mark, either the Paris Mint's cornucopia or another identifying symbol. Mintage and variants. The 1971 francs coin had a mintage of approximately 20 million. This high production makes it relatively common, though coins in exceptional condition are less frequently found. Market value. Circulated coins, typically valued between $1 and $5. Uncirculated coins, coins in pristine condition, can range from $10 to $25. Proof coins, rarely seen in this denomination, proof examples could fetch $50 or more. Errors and varieties. Some known errors include overstrikes, weak strikes, and die cracks. These anomalies are sought after by collectors and can dramatically increase the coin's value, often selling for $50 or more. Collector interest. The 5 francs françaises 1971 coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors for its classic design and historical significance. Its accessibility also makes it a popular choice for beginner and advanced numismatists alike. Both the 1 shilling Elizabeth VI 1956 and the 5 francs françaises 1971 coins showcase the artistry and history of their respective nations. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious beginner, these coins offer a glimpse into the past and an opportunity to own a piece of history. Thank you for joining us on NT Coins World. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of fascinating coins from around the world. Until next time, happy collecting!